how to sign up to sell on Displate. All you want to do is come to displate.com, come here at the top right, and click on join, okay? And then click on sign up right here. If you don't have an account already, of course, you need to click on that, and then just click on I am an artist, okay? Don't use I'm a customer. Use I'm an artist. This is where you can go ahead and sell. You need to add a nickname, which will be your shop's name and URL. Let me do Pioneer. Okay. And I'll go ahead and add my email address and password for this. All right, I've added my email and my password. Make sure it meets these requirements. Then just go ahead and click on create an account. And it says this username is already taken, so I'll just go ahead and add a few numbers there, and let's try that again. Make sure the terms and conditions, you have read that. Now go ahead and confirm your email. Let me go to my email right now. And there we go. Just come here and click on confirm your email. It'll open up this new tab. And here you go. We're all set. Just need to click on continue right here. And then go ahead and log into your account. Enter your email and password. All right. Now just click on login right here, and it should redirect me the homepage. And as you can see, let me go ahead and wait for this to initialize. As you can see, I can upload my artwork, can check my earnings, right? Basically, I have a seller account. Really that easy and simple.